This is a demonstration of the MTC Data Integration capabilities for programming a 4-head, 8-spindle heart machine, in this case doing edge processing on a passage door, while many other applications are available. So to start the process out, we can scan a barcode of either a paper or a digital work order. In this case, we're going to use a digital work order, scan it with the barcode. Upon scanning the barcode, we tap the SQL server and extract information for this particular job, do calculations, and we're basically tool pathing the part without any CAD/CAM interface. At this point, the operator can go and confirm the parameters of the job by clicking Start Job or pressing F9. We get a graphical representation, a poke-yoke if you will, of how the parts should be loaded, and there are indicators on the machine for this as well. And again, we can click Send to Machine or click the F5 button, and that will automatically load the machining parameters into the CNC control, which then prompts the operator to push the cycle start button. Once the cycle start button is pressed, the fixtures and the heads pre-position to the appropriate location. An LED light is indicating which datum point, right or left, for the part to be loaded against. The operator pushes the part in, goes up against the X datum where there's a sensor confirming that we did indeed get to the X datum for proper location, and then we press cycle start to run the program. The part is clamped, the spindles ramp up to speed, and the machining begins. Once the program is completed, the heads retract, the fixtures open, and the part can be removed. The software and the screens are telling us that the job was complete. The ERP system is updated such that this operation has now been completed in that work order list, and we're ready for the next part on the work order schedule to be processed.